Well, Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi is now the new Chief Minister of Delhi. She will be replacing Arvind Kejriwal. The decision was ostensibly taken by the Aam Aadmi Party legislature party, but we all know how these things work in all political parties, not even small regional parties. Any political party, the nod comes from the above, and the legislators just know where to put their vote. Atishi's choice is obviously Arvind Kejriwal's choice, aided and abetted by Manish Sisodia. In fact, Atishi began her career as an advisor to Manish Sisodia. She is his protege, and she went on to become the education minister. Manish Sisodia went to jail, and after that, she's been holding very important portfolios of PWD, environment, education, finance. Sorry, not environment, but finance, education, culture, PWD. So she's been actually one of the mainstays of the Aam Aadmi Party government, especially at a time when both Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal were behind bars. What made the decision go in her favor? One, of course, is the fact that she is a woman. The woman vote does matter, especially in today's politics, with the BJP also wooing the woman vote. She is going to be the third woman chief minister of Delhi, following Sheila Dikshit and Sushma Swaraj of the BJP. Atishi is also someone who has proved her loyalty. While Manish Sisodia, as I said, was behind bars, she managed his portfolio. She is not one who is going to be creating any problem, because Arvind Kejriwal is very cagey. He does not do teamwork easily. The only person I guess he supports or he has trust in the party is Manish Sisodia. Atishi has Manish Sisodia's vote. She is also not one who will nurture ambitions like perhaps Champa Soren in Jharkhand that we saw when Hemant Soren was behind bars. His stand-in was not happy at being ousted out. I don't think Atishi will raise any sort of rebellion once Kejriwal is back in his seat, which he is. He's made it very clear that he will come back with the people's mandate. That is, as soon as assembly elections are done, and he's hoping the Aam Aadmi Party will be coming back to power, it will be with Kejriwal as chief minister. So this is just a temporary placement. Other Aam Aadmi Party leaders are also quick to caution, like Saurabh Bhardwaj said that this is like putting Bharat had ruled Ayodhya in Ramji's absence with his he put his chappals on the throne. So this is akin to she is the Bharat to Kejriwal's Ram. Well, whatever the nomenclatures, Atishi is good for optics. She is a Rhodes Scholar. She studied at Cambridge. She's also studied from St. Stephen's College. Her parents were DU professors. Her full name is Atishi Marlene. They named her after Marx and Lenin. But she has dropped her surname and prefers to go just by Atishi. She is a good worker. She delivers. She's on ground. We saw her inspecting bridges and flyovers and schools, during her portfolios. So she is on ground. In fact, she did a lot of the implementation on the education and health, the Mohalla clinics, the portfolio that Manish Sisodia was holding. As advisor, she was the one who did a lot of the grunt work from behind the scenes. So now it is her time to come in the sun. And I think, from what we are hearing, is the Aam Aadmi Party has made a good choice. In fact, this is going to lead the other parties to now look for women chief ministerial faces. The BJP is already toying with the idea of promoting Smriti Irani. Wonder whom the Congress will zero in on, because by now it is also clear that the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress are not going to be fighting the Delhi election in an alliance. They will be fighting each other and the BJP. But that's for another day. Meanwhile, we wish Atishi all the best. She is a clear thinker, good talker, deliverer on ground. She has very little time to make a difference, because elections, if the centre listens to Kejriwal, the elections may be sooner than along with the Maharashtra elections, or anyways they're slated in January, Feb. So a couple of months at best. Can Atishi deliver? Can she make a difference? We're going to watch the space.